Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi 14 Ultra to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting this app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge. Nextly, select confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Finally, after tapping on your device's screens, select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Xiaomi, using all of those categories at the top, you can select multiple files to transfer. In some of those categories, like contacts, hit Allow, and then select Allow in the pop-up. Then select your files, and when you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Now hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click Input Key section, below enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and select Receive button. This one. If you prefer to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close the nut and allow camera access in this pop-up. Finally, after pointing your device's camera at the code, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!